I'm Erik-Jan Scholten.
And I'm Tim Amy.
And this might be you, because like you, he knows where he wants to get to. In order to get there, however, he needs to know where he is right now, in terms of location, but also in terms of whether he has the appropriate information, training, and support. In short, whether he is prepared and ready. Tim and I have combined our experience and expertise within the pharmaceutical and healthcare industries to form our company, Your Insight, which maps your performance to help you get to where you want to be. We are here to tell you of the benefits of mapping your company performance. So what is Your Insight performance mapping?
With a focus on the healthcare industry, we use a process called SCAN to identify strengths and weaknesses in terms of behaviours, processes and systems that together drive performance in every organisation. At whatever level of the organisation, a Your Insight scan gives you clear insights into what is working and what isn't. From this you receive a report, a roadmap, that provides practical and actionable guidance to ensure your business is aligned and fit for purpose to achieve your objectives. So when would you want to map your performance?
When performance is not achieving expectation. When anyone starting in a new position wishes to get to grips quickly with the key issues and challenges. Or ahead of a product launch to ensure you have the correct organization to bring the product to market optimally.
Pre- and post-business planning to ensure the business can implement the plan. To identify functional teams like sales, marketing, medical are working together and how this can be improved. To identify if the behaviours, systems and processes are all aligned and working towards the same goal within an organisation.
Or to give direction and impetus to a continuous improvement program and to ensure the adoption of best practice across a company. Or to review the effectiveness of a team or business unit and to identify best practice and facilitate transfer across affiliates. These are actual examples of where a Your Insight scan has been used to identify excellence in performance and areas where improvements can be made. How does Your Insight go about conducting a scan?
The Your Insight scan is a three-step process. 1. We hold one-to-one meetings with the stakeholders. These meetings take typically 2 hours, during which we identify performance strengths and weaknesses using questions associated with set cornerstones of good practice. For larger groups of stakeholders, some of the questioning process can be done online.
We then analyze all the interviews as well as all the supporting written documentation. We write up our findings, observations and recommendations.
These are then presented back to the stakeholders. Because the stakeholders are closely involved and the process is totally transparent, there is immediate ownership, helped by the fact that it's quite enjoyable. The whole process can be completed from start to finish in as little as 4 weeks, and the recommendations are pragmatic, practical, actionable, and in very many cases can be quickly implemented.
Fundamental to the whole Your Insight scan process are the following principles that are the reason that a Your Insight scan works. You need to know what you're doing now to know how and where you can improve. Others from outside the business with experience and understanding usually observe easier than you can. Our experience allows us to challenge the current performance, but we never judge. And people who do the job often know best how things can be improved when asked the right questions, are engaged with the process and trust those asking the questions. In other words, Your Insight.
We have seen this process work and have seen organisations improve as a result of it. If you are thinking that there are parts of your business that you would like to map, and there will be some, contact us and we would welcome the opportunity to spend a little more than 3 minutes discussing Your Insight mapping performance.
And provide you with your map that helps you understand what you need to do to ensure your business is best placed to get to where it needs to be.
Erik, we better get back to work.